Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creation. Today I come to show you this Tonic craft kit. Open it up. Y'all know I have a subscription. I absolutely love it. Ooh, what is that? Okay, so let me pull this to the side. All right, y'all know first thing I like to do is go over the papers. So let's get that out. I love when I get the papers because sometimes there's new ones in here. And let me get the list out. Where my list is. This one is Follow Your Dreams. That's what this one is. Follow Your Dreams. Oh, yes. I forgot about this one. Kit number 67, which I'm pretty sure y'all saw on the screen. All right. So the colors are... I think they're on the back side. All right, so we can do the classic card first. This is Clementine Orange. Clementine Orange. Y'all know that always has that little textured design weave pattern on it. And which one is this one? This one is Chili Red. Chili Red. This one is Fuchsia Pink. Y'all know I love that one. Fuchsia Pink. We have Buttermilk Yellow. Buttermilk Yellow. And the last one is Apricot Orange. These are all classic card. Apricot Orange. And I have every last one of those papers. I love it. Then we got, oh, we didn't get that many papers this time. Okay, so we have Pearlescent card, which is this one. It's called Fresh Mint. Love that shine. Y'all see that? That's pearlescent. Then we got a glitter card. Well, no, let's do this one first. This one is a mirror card. Ooh, I love this one. I might not have this one. Electric Purple. Wow. Electric Purple. And then the next one is a glitter card, Midnight Topaz. Midnight Topaz. When you think of midnight, I don't think of this blue. It's usually black, maybe. So I would think this is the glitter blue, but it says Midnight Topaz. Beautiful color. I love, love, love the bright colors. So that's what we got in this one. We usually have a lot more than that, so let's see what we got this time then, right? All right, so the next thing I like to do is the Nouveau. Oh, so there are some things already out of the package. Ooh, we got Lemon Drizzle. Have to see if I have this one or not. I'm looking on my things here. See if I have this one. Lemon Drizzle, I love that. It's like a light yellow. And there, they put in a little sample there. Now, it looks like it got some glitter on it. And it's textured, but it may not be textured. But that is a light yellow. Love it. Glitter marker. Then they gave us... Oh, I was going to say I already have the watercolors, but this is color pencils. The classic colors. Brilliant and Brilliantly Vibrant. That's the name of this one. I don't think I've seen this one because I got all the watercolor pencils and I don't think I saw these. Maybe I just missed them. I might have just been on a mission to get all the watercolor. So let's take that off. Let me see. Because all of these are watercolor right here. Ah, my fall. Got my cart next to me finally. Yeah. All of these are watercolor pencils. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Okay, there we go. Watercolor. Yeah, all of these are watercolor pencils. Oh, there it is. Oh, so maybe each one have... Ooh, I got to get them now. Each one of them have the colored pencils. So this is the watercolor and this is the regular colored pencils. Look how the difference is. Let's put these back. I'm going to drop my paper towels in there. Okay. Let's look at these. I'm excited. sure I put them right on back on my cart so we can see. But they gave a full 10, guys. Now, you know that's something. That's probably why we didn't get as much paper. We got a full 10. There are 12 of them in here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let's see if mine have been moved around. So, yep. Oh, one difference I see. These are round. Let me see. Pick it up. See that? The watercolor are round. And these are square. A rectangle. I mean, triangle. Look at that. I like that difference. It won't roll either. Oh my gosh. I need to leave these up here. Oh, I kind of got them in the same order. All right, so let's see. Where's me a piece of paper? Taking off my mat here. Let's see what these colors look like, how bright they are. I want to see how bright the yellow is. Oh, wow. Very smooth, too. Like butter. Look at that. Love it. Let's see the orange. Oh, yeah. These are nice. Wow. Can they blend? Oh, they're blending. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Love them. I'm going to have to get the rest of the sets now because they have to match. I gotta have all of them. Absolutely love it, guys. These are nice. So let me show them up close. The bright colors. Oh, let me tell you the colors too. This one, let's see. Maybe it'll help if you turn it around, though. Lemongrass, Imperial Jade, Scuba Blue, Teal, True Blue. What color is it? Oh, that looks like a purple. African Violet. Oh, only way I knew is because of here. If y'all can see that purple tip, it doesn't look purple down here. It looks like it's black. This one is Cotton Candy. Oh, y'all know I like that one. It's pink. This one is Raven Black. White Cotton. Cocoa Bean. Toffee Apple. That's a red. Tangerine Tango. And what is this? Spring Daffodil. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have to get all of them. I'm going to have to get the next colors. Got to match with my water. Now, I know y'all heard what I just did. I have to pick them up later. That's the one thing they do need to fix, is that clasp needs to be a little bit tighter. Because I've noticed if I do that and I put them on my shelf, they have all fallen out. That's why I was surprised that the other ones are still in there. I'll pick those up after this. All right, so going in the Nouveau bag now. Ooh, never can have enough of this. Double-sided red line tape, 1/4 inch by 16 feet. I love it. A lot. I love 1/4 inch. Then we got some embossing powder. This one is Odyssey Blue. Y'all can see the color from there. Odyssey Blue. Ooh, we got a full bottle. Mica. Always make sure you shake it up before you use it so you can get all that beautiful mica to mix in there with the other solution, the color. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, see that line there? You want to make sure. Let me see, do I have this color? This color is Turkish Rose. There it is. Turkish Rose. They are right behind me. Let me see if I have that. What is this? Yay, I don't have it. I love it when I get something new. I thought this one was it. I thought that was it. See all that mic at the bottom? You have to make sure you shake it up. Get that little ball in the bottom to get it mixed up. But I thought that was it. But no, yay! I got a beautiful pink one now. Oh, love it. Let's see what it looks like. Let's spray on that piece that we had. Ooh, darling. Look at that. Absolutely love it. Let me wipe off the tip, the nozzle. before I put it up. Want to make sure you do that so it won't get clogged. Oh, that's going to be beautiful. I didn't have a pink. Yes, I did not have a pink. I'm going to put that one in the drawer right there with the others. And then this one is called Crushed Grape. Huh. I don't know if I have this one. I'm not going to open it just in case I do. Crushed grape. These things last a long, long time. So I've got 4 stacks of them. Yeah, 4 containers. Oh, I got another one up there I didn't open. And I don't know if I have it, so I'll have to see. So that's what came in the Nuvo box. Now, let's get to the dies and stamps that come in every month's kit. Follow your dreams. So since I already have the sticker out, this is a rainbow box. I like to put it on like that. Let's open it up. OMG. We got instructions here. OMG. So look at the cute stamp. Follow your dreams. I love the little rainbows on there. Got a little heart there. This stamp right here says sending sunshine to someone special. It's got a little cloud, a rainbow. Behind each rainbow stripe, well, some of them, there are hearts all in there. Can y'all see that? It's for you to color. So it's heart, and then it's got words, heart, and then it's the blank ring, and then hearts again. And then the rays of sunshine popping up. That is so cute. Then you got a teeny tiny rainbow and cloud here, a little stamp that's a heart that's filled in. Then you have a hollow heart. And then this says, love is. Oh, I love that. So you can say love is, and then sending sunshine to someone special. Oh, I love that. That is so cute. So that is the stamp. And then the die itself. Wow. OMG. Look at this. Can y'all see it? I don't have to take it out. I think y'all can see that. Look at this strip. Got some little raindrops. Oh, I love that. And you got 5 at a time, so it won't take that much time to cut out. Heart. It's got a little cutout there, wedge. Looks like a little sun. It's got the backing for that. Look at this. That is beautiful. Oh, man. I love that embossing that's on there. Then, of course, you got the halves rainbow sentiment to cut out the sentiment and the stamp. Yes. Perfect. Love, love, love. And then you got this piece here. I'm pretty sure these are to put it together to create the box. This is a whole one you cut out to make the box. You can stamp on it, or you can cut out the stripes and put it on there. Follow your dreams. Oh, so you got both of them. This one will cut out the words with a little plate that you can put also in here. And then this one says, just for you. Sometimes I wonder, Lord, can you read backwards? Just for you. That's what it says. Then you have some embossing ones that say thanks and smile. And it's got 2 little hearts there. And then you have a little rectangle to cut those out as well. Look at this cute little cloud. Oh, this is so cute, guys. This little package is so cute. Let me see if we got a picture. And of course, the instructions are on the back to show it, how to put it together, but it looks like it's pretty simple. I haven't played with a lot of these yet. Oh, there it is. Look how cute! Now that's where they put the box together and they colored, wow, they colored each one of the little hearts in there. Y'all can see it very well. And that's where they put it underneath the bottom of the box, that little follow your dreams. And they colored that as well. Wow. That's a lot of coloring. And then here's one using the stripes of the rainbow. Just for you. Oh, I read it properly. Oh, look how they stacked up the clouds and put little raindrops. Wow. And it looks like they might have cut out the raindrops, but then put some Nuvo drops, crystal drops on top to make them 3D. This is such a cute little box. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Did y'all get this kit? This is kit 67. Follow your dreams. Y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.